The flexitarian diet. A flexible journey to plant-based eating. The flexitarian diet is gaining popularity for its emphasis on whole, plant-based foods, while allowing occasional meat, poultry, and seafood consumption. This flexibility makes it a great option for those who want to incorporate more plant-based meals, but aren't ready to completely cut out animal products. Core principles for the starting. Plant-based focus. The cornerstone of the flexitarian diet is prioritizing fruits, vegetables, legumes, whole grains, and nuts. These foods are rich in vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants, supporting holistic health. Moderate animal products. Meat, poultry, and seafood are not off-limits, but they are enjoyed less frequently and in smaller portions. The focus is on quality over quantity, choosing lean cuts and sustainably sourced options. Minimal processing. The flexitarian diet encourages whole, unprocessed foods over packaged and processed options. This ensures you consume more natural nutrients and less added sugar, sodium, and unhealthy fats. Balance and moderation. It's not about deprivation, it's about finding a balance that works for you. Enjoy occasional indulgences, but prioritize healthy choices most of the time. Potential benefits. Maintaining good health by prioritizing plant-based foods, you increase your intake of essential nutrients that can reduce the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and certain cancers. Weight management. The focus on nutrient-dense, lower-calorie plant foods can naturally lead to a calorie deficit, promoting weight loss or healthy weight maintenance. Enhanced gut health. The high-fiber content in plant-based foods promotes a healthy gut microbiome. Crucial for digestion and overall well-being, here we have a 1-week diet plan as per. You can swap it with your own choice. And add the beauty of the flexitarian diet in your lifestyle. Meal plans for 1 week. Monday, vegetarian. Breakfast, oatmeal with berries and nuts. Lunch, lentil soup with whole wheat bread. Dinner, veggie stir-fry with tofu and brown rice. Tuesday, pescatarian. Breakfast, Greek yogurt with fruit and granola. Lunch, tuna salad with mixed greens. Dinner, salmon with roasted vegetables and quinoa. Wednesday, flexitarian. Breakfast, scrambled eggs with spinach and whole wheat toast. Lunch, chicken breast salad with avocado on a whole wheat wrap. Dinner, vegetarian chili with a side salad. Thursday, vegan. Breakfast, smoothie with plant-based milk, protein powder, spinach, and banana. Lunch, black bean burger on a whole wheat bun with sweet potato fries. Dinner, lentil pasta with marinara sauce and roasted vegetables. Friday, flexitarian. Breakfast, chia pudding with fruit and nuts. Lunch, leftovers from previous meals. Dinner, turkey burgers with grilled vegetables and whole wheat buns. Weekend. Enjoy some flexibility with occasional indulgences or meals that incorporate meat in larger portions. Continue to prioritize fruits, vegetables, and whole grains throughout the day. Things to consider. The beauty of the flexitarian diet is its flexibility. Find a balance that works for you, explore the vast world of plant-based cuisine, and enjoy the journey towards a healthier lifestyle. If you like the video, share with your friends and family.